I can't take much more of this.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Bexar County until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Okay, it's fine.
At 11:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, emergency management officials reported heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include San Antonio, Schertz, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, Stinson Municipal Airport, San Antonio International Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Leon Valley, Kirby, Helotes, Alamo Heights, Fair Oaks Ranch, Windgrest, Terrell Hills, Chaminade Park, Hollywood Park, Alamos Park, St. Hedwig, and Somerset. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.